Hello, hello, hello!
Hey guys! So today we were thinking about making a video. So we thought about making a video which is educational. Drum roll please. So please watch our video until the very end because we have a surprise for you. And subscribe and leave a like and leave down the comments on the comment section down below. Enjoy! So this is our abacus. We had this since maybe 1 or 2 years back, but this will be enough for our video. Okay, so let's start with addition. In addition, the way you use the abacus, this is the ones, this is the tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. If you have more rows, so on or so forth. Let's think of a number to add. Let's say 9 plus 4. Jam, could you please show them how to do it?
Okay, so I will count 9 from the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 4, 1.
Then, move these 10 beads back to their original place. Get this one bead from the tens place, which is known as 10. Then continue 2, 3, 4.
So this is 10 and 3, so that considers to 13.
Now let's think of something harder. Let's try 57 plus 21.
Okay, let's count 57, then 20, 30, 40, 50, and then get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then plus 21, then 20. Then get 1, 1. So the answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 78.
So now let's do multiplication. So multiplication is like this. 3 times 3. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. Jam, could you show them how to solve the multiplication?
Okay. So it's like this.
Move one bead from the multiplicand. Then no need to add it because it's already here. Then move the second one. Then add 3 more. Then do the final one. And then add 3 more.
So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9.
So let's think of something harder. Let's try 7 times 6. 7 and 6. So move one from the multiplicand. Don't add yet. Move the second one. Then add for the multiplier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add another one. Then add more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add another one. Then add more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add another one. Then add more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then add the final one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 42. This is 40 and here is 2. So now let's do division. let's do 10 divided by 2. So, 10 is divided by 2. So, remove 2 from 10. Add 1 from the bottom. Then, continue doing this thing until it's finished. So, the quotient of this problem is 5. So, let me think of something harder. Let's try 55 divided by 5. So, when you need tens and the ones, so this is 50 and here is 5. If it is divided by 5, move that, add 1, then if you put this one, it will be 10. So continue doing it until it is finished. 5 So the quotient of this problem is 11.
So that is how to use an abacus. We showed you the basics so you can show your teachers, parents, friends, or your siblings if you have. Comment down below if you liked our video.
And please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video.
Bye!
Bye!
Remember what my brother told you in the beginning? Here's our surprise.
So please leave a... Wait, what again?
Plus 4. 1.
Okay, so put all the...